Hi again. This is to answer a third question from a student who asked, what is circumferential strain on a rectangular profile? In which direction is it? I believe it kind of corresponds to this topic here. In the full derivation of this, a circumferential strain refers to the strain going along this curved member here, meaning that when you stretch this, for example, to the dash or the f prime from f to the f prime position, this is going to elongate, or it's going to yeah, elongate. And as it is a curved member, so this follows the circumference of the member. So basically, a circumferential strain is that follows the line of this curved member. Uh, Direction, well, it depends on the case, but that's the answer to this question. That's the circumferential strain, how it is assumed or how it is taken into derivating the Winkler-Bach theory. I hope it helps. Thanks.